Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Leos. We'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. We will turn the cards as we proceed. These are for your general energies, Leos. And these are for your love energies. We'll turn those cards when we proceed there, guys. So for your general energies, Leos, Page of Pentacles. These are for your love energies, guys. Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups in reverse, Queen of Cups in reverse, Ace of Pentacles. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, in your work situation or in your personal life, there are some important news coming your way, guys. Certain people or certain situations may arise that you may not have the total confidence with. You may feel that people are trying to do some fraud or deceive you in some way. So you need to be very careful, guys, attentive today. That is what I see here with these cards. For some of you all, you may have some kind of new beginnings. This may be in your work, some beginning of something new which you are really passionate about, some new venture, something creative also, maybe for some of you all, and this may relate to your work, guys. So it may be a very profitable work, this new venture. You feel that happiness and contentment because of that. So whatever efforts you are putting in, the results may be good, it may be very profitable, and you are able to manage things well, manage your personal life, manage your professional life very well, guys. That is also the energy here. For some of you all, you may be applying something, maybe for your studies or some kind of scholarships or something regarding your work, some kind of application you would be doing. So you are getting the necessary result, whatever you are applying for, you are getting it. So you feel that true happiness and joy because of these results. But sometimes in certain situations, you may feel that people are trying to cheat you in some way. You may have somebody trying to involve you in some kind of fraud or some financial fraudulent financial schemes, something. You need to be very careful, guys. So that may be the energy here, or it may be somebody you may not know. You may think of them as your friend, but in truth they are there to trick you in some ways, try to use you subtly, some kind of very subtle kind of cheating. So you need to be very careful and attentive, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards, Leos. Some kind of new beginning, but certain things you need to look into. Maybe this new beginning itself, it may not be a new beginning, something which you were really passionate about. So you need to be very careful. You should not rush in, guys. So that is the energy here. You should not rush in with any hasty decisions. You should be very attentive today, guys, of what you decide. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life, so you need to be really careful. So let us see what are these cards for your love energies. Strength in reverse, Sun in reverse, 10 of Cups. This is for your love energies, guys. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are really happy in this relationship with this person. You have a great understanding, compatibility, and you love this person for what they are, and both of you have a deep bond and trust on each other. Maybe in this relationship, or maybe in certain situations, you may feel that this person or someone is trying to influence you because of the position they hold in your life. Maybe someone older than you, maybe your family member. They may be deciding few things about this relationship. They may try to dominate you and control you in this relationship, guys. This is what you feel, or this is what your person feels about this relationship. So there may be someone, or it may be you or this person. They may be the one trying to control you in your life, trying to make certain decisions for you. You may not like it, but that kind of making you submit to their desires is there. So that kind of energy is here, guys. So someone is definitely trying to dominate you. This may be this person or someone, older sibling or some of your friends, somebody. So because of their concern, they may be trying to do it. So it may go overboard few times. You may feel irritated because of that, guys. So when somebody is telling you what to do, you may feel that you are really weak, that you cannot overcome their domination. You feel you are unable to overcome their domination. That is also the energy here, Leos. So let us see what is the angel's guidance for us today, guys. So I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. What is the guidance for us? It's an angel card here, guys. Leos. In life, often we come up with so many struggles, and we rarely see the things that we have and the beauty of our surroundings, our home, the nature around us. So sometimes we just need to take a pause and appreciate those beautiful things that we see, guys. Nature, the trees, birds, flowers, whatever it is, that gives us great inspiration. So when we look up at those things that are of great beauty that we miss to watch every day, we will remove all the creative blocks that we have within ourselves, guys, and it will be a great inspiration for us every day, and it will open our creative side. It will give us new ideas and new opportunities. It will bring new opportunities to us. So that is what the angels are guiding us with. So sometimes we need to appreciate the things that are there in our life, whatever we see. Maybe if we like to walk in the park, we can go there, or walk on the beach, something which we love. Spend some time in nature, in fresh air, morning, enjoying that morning breeze or the sounds of birds, whatever it is, whatever that we love. So that will act as an inspiration for us every day. So it will open the great gates of creativeness that is there within us, and it will help us in our day to day struggles, whatever we face, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this reading resonated. If it did, please give a like and comment. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.